Be careful.
Daddy, the owl sounds. Oh, 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 oh.
Why don't you come back in here?
That could have been your leg.
Just go around it. Just like his dad, gotta find the hardest way to get stuff done.
Ow.
Wave. Wave to the camera. Everybody. Hi. What are we doing?
We're gonna look for wild avocados.
And what else?
Bears.
It's gonna be a good time in the forest.
And chipmunks.
Yeah.
I just saw them. And aliens. And goats.
Goats?
Ooh.
Well, maybe. We'll see.